Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Dave Sim. I'm one of the co-owners of Yumi Katsu located here in Winnipeg Ghost Kitchens. That's my cousin Paul, that's my brother-in-law Nate, and that's my sister Chloe. And we all just kind of started this place together. What we're doing here is we're selling traditional Japanese katsu. So katsu is something, that's like, it's fairly widely defined, but you can think of it as like a deep-fried product, golden brown and crispy. We do pork, we do chicken, we do shrimp, we do fish. And there are a couple of other vegetarian menus we're working on right now as well. So here, Paul is making our Japanese curry. What we do is so simple. We get a lot of onions, we caramelize them in butter, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a house special seasoning, and also some Japanese curry powder. And the result is something that is so simple. It's a little bit soupy, it's a little bit saucy, but it's perfect with any kind of katsu or rice. Even our oil, we try to make it a little bit more aromatic. We try to build on the bases of the layers of flavors. So what we're doing is actually frying some onions and green onions first. And the resulting product often is just like much more flavorful, it's juicier. We find it's something that just works. It's traditional in Japan too. And the next thing I'd like to show you guys is our breadcrumb machine, because that's something that makes our katsu so special. Something we take real good pride in, and it's something we actually imported straight from, Japan. We wanted it to be something really fluffy, larger pieces, flaky, and a little bit moist as well. And that's how pretty much all reputable Japanese and Korean tonkatsu places would do it. And so we kind of came up with our own solution here. I love to show you how a couple of our products are made. So we're going to be demoing our loin katsu and also the cheese katsu for you. Loin katsu, that's our quintessential tonkatsu. So what we do here is that we cut our pork the night before, and we dry brine them with our house spices, and then we leave it in a little container overnight. We have our meat, we dredge it in flour into the egg, and then into the house-made breadcrumbs. We really try to pack it in so it stays as packed in while it's in the fryer as well. So this is our cheese katsu. This one has to be a house favorite and also my favorite. Same Canadian pork loin. We pound it out thin, and then we actually wrap a Canadian mozzarella cheese in it, and we deep fry it until golden. So the resulting product ends up being something so crispy and golden brown on the outside. It's got such a satisfying bite into it, but inside you're gonna have this really nice mozzarella, gooey, cheesy center. So this is how it comes out from our first fry. First time we fry it, we like to fry at lower temp, about 280 or so. Second time is a little bit higher, about 310 to 330. So that's the result of our second fry there. You can see it's like the perfect golden brown color where we want it to be. But our cooking process actually isn't over yet. One of the most important parts of our katsu is that we like to rest it for at least 15 to 30 minutes. It allows the moisture and the juices inside the meat to kind of reconstitute itself evenly so it doesn't get soggy in the breadcrumbs. So this was Yumi Katsu again. You can find us on Uber Eats, DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, all three major delivery apps. But we also do have our own website. So we're really looking forward to serving you soon.